I'm Reed. I'm the director of our field services at WEBB, which include construction management, inspection, land surveying, and mapping. Our team is comprised of construction managers and a team of inspectors, and then we also have administrative staff to support us. In the construction management and inspection department, we get to see the project actually get built. So a lot of the associates at WEBB are involved in design or planning, in paper, and we actually get to see it in the field. So it's exciting to be able to be a part of that. And our job is basically to help the client and ensure that they get what they pay for. We enforce the plans and the specifications and make sure that the project is built how the client expects it to be built. In our department, we collaborate with pretty much all the departments in the company. We work a lot with water resources, land development, traffic and transportation. Because of the benefit of WEBB, we get a lot of add-on work that's just a tack on to the design work. And we ended up managing and inspecting those projects. That's been great, and we've done that throughout the 75 plus years of WEBB. And what we're doing now is we're having a focus of continuing those services and also building a client base of construction management and inspection for projects that were designed by the rest of the world. And so we're having a lot of success doing that eventually we can establish that reputation as a construction management and inspection firm, which will in turn lead back to work for our design teams. By definition, a construction manager is making sure that the project is built per plans and specifications. They step in for the client, who could be a developer, project manager, or a city engineer, and they take the brunt of the communication for the project. They are making sure that the correct materials are approved and installed. They are reviewing change order requests, RFIs, schedules, budgets, and leading meetings. They're basically become the face of the project for the owner, so that the owner doesn't have to enjoy all of those responsibilities every day. Our inspectors are out in the field all the time. We barely see them unless we go visit them. They are on site, watching everything that happens. They're reviewing the equipment that's on site, the manpower that's there. They're reviewing the plans and specifications and the schedules to make sure that the right thing is happening when it's supposed to be and that it's installed correctly. They are more than glorified photographers. They do take photos, they take a lot of notes, but they're also problem solvers. And that's what we try to instill in our inspectors as opposed to others in the industry, is we want our inspectors to be problem solvers and to be involved in the project more than just an observer. Our admin staff is critical. They do more than anybody knows. They keep our inspectors scheduled, they know where they are, they keep their reports flowing so that the clients have them when they need them. They basically make us look good without us having to worry about it. The projects we work on in our department can be large sewer pipelines, water transmission lines, water tanks, wastewater treatment plants, or street improvement projects. One really fun project that I worked on a couple years ago was in Indio, and it was right on the border of where Coachella and Stagecoach happen and where there's polo tournaments. So we got to build a street, widen a street, and watch horses gallop in the sunset. And we also had to shut the project down so that Coachella could happen. This was pre-COVID. And we had to deal with traffic control, the city, and some pretty high stakes influencers in the city. Another great project we've done recently is out in Imperial at their wastewater treatment plant. That's been a job that WEBB's been involved in for 15 years in the design stages, and we were in a position to have that be a carry-on service to do construction management and inspection. So that's been a successful job. It's a $20+ million wastewater treatment plant project, which I was the construction manager on. And then what that's helped us do is put that on our resume to set us up for future projects. And this is already coming to fruition because out in Crestline, they've asked us for a proposal to manage their wastewater treatment plant upgrade. And now we have the resume to show that we can do that. That opportunity actually came through a relationship of one of our inspectors who had worked with the general manager there previously. So it's a whole system. I think it's a great opportunity that shows how WEBB's history of design work has led to a strong construction management department, and also personal relationships to make it come full circle and give us opportunities to do more work. WEBB is unique because it offers services to our clients from project onset all the way through completion. And we get to be involved with the client through the whole process. A big opportunity that we see in our department is helping our clients, but also helping our internal clients and the rest of WEBB through constructability reviews and assisting our designers when projects get to construction, so that you don't have to stay involved in the construction process as much. You can dump submittal reviews, RFI reviews off to our team, and we can have boots on the ground experience. We can see what's constructible, and we can help you, we can help alleviate that stress from you so you can get back to what you love doing. And it helps our department because we can know about these projects for a long time. We can bounce ideas off of each other. We can talk with the design group as they're designing things and help them to make sure the job's going to go smoothly in construction.